how to enable community settings in Discord server. So to do that, all you have to do is open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And after that, you can simply search for Discord, and after opening Discord, on the upper right corner you will have open Discord option. So click on that. So make sure to log into your Discord, and after logging in, click on your server, and then here you will have your server. Click on your server and then click on server settings, and on the left side you will have a bunch of options. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have community option, and you will have enable community. So tap on community, and to enable your community you have to simply click on get started, and then on the first step you have safety checks. Click on these and then click on next, and here you will have these options. You can simply click on any one of them. You can click on next, and here it is the last step, finishing touches. So after reading all of this, you can simply click on I agree and understand, and then you can simply click on finish setup. So that's it guys, that's how you enable your community settings in Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.